Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom price prediction and Fantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. 2 top cryptocurrencies to buy now and hold for the next decade. A few years back, cryptocurrency existed on the fringes of the finance world, and many investors saw little appeal or long-term value in digital assets. But that sentiment is slowly shifting. Today, investment banks like Goldman Sachs are involved in the crypto market, and 83% of millionaire millennials own crypto. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is one driver behind that trend. DeFi allows people to borrow, lend, and earn interest on money without going through a traditional financial institution. And by removing banks from the equation, DeFi can make financial services more efficient and more accessible. Ethereum has long been the largest ecosystem of decentralized software, and Ethereum-based software and services can easily be added to the Fantom blockchain. For instance, popular yield farming service Yearn Finance went live on Fantom in October. That interoperability could be a significant tailwind for this Ethereum challenger. Like Avalanche, Fantom has a clear value proposition. Developers can build fast, scalable software and services, and consumers can use those products for less than a penny per transaction. And while Fantom went live just over 2 years ago, it's already the 6th largest DeFi ecosystem, with $6.4 billion invested on the platform. As more consumers adopt software and services on Fantom, demand for the FTM token should rise, pushing its price higher. In this video, we discuss the latest news and a full review of the Fantom ecosystem spotlight. Revenant Labs. Revenant may be the most aptly named project in the Fantom ecosystem. After suffering a massive setback with their first project, the team regrouped, formed Revenant Labs, and set about systematically building an innovative suite of DeFi protocols. Now, barely 1 month after launching their Creditum stablecoin solution, Revenant Labs is gearing up for another major release. Their perseverance and hard work have rightly drawn the attention of community members like FTM Alerts. Suffice it to say that we're keen to see what's coming next from this dynamic project. Revenant Labs builds DeFi products like Creditum and Singularity, which have their own branding and token. The end goal is to create an ecosystem that maximizes synergies among our projects. Revenant Labs first launched on Fantom as Stake on May 14, 2021. The project rebranded in October after an exploit of Stake. Holders of the Stake token were compensated with RVNT, which offers users a share of all future tokens launched by Revenant Labs. On January 8, 2021, Revenant Labs launched their first product, Creditum, and stakeholders were allowed to exchange 1 RVNT for 10 credit. Holders who redeem their RVNT to claim credit now will not be able to claim tokens associated with Revenant Labs' future projects. For instance, when the next project, Singularity, launches with the token Grav, users who have already exchanged their RVNT for credit will not be able to receive both credit and Grav. Users who choose to hold their RVNT will be able to claim credit and Grav. The same rules apply to token launches after that. Revenant Labs' first product is named Creditum. It's a lending borrowing platform that allows users to deposit volatile crypto assets to mint a United States dollar stablecoin called. We believe this may sustain in the near term, given that there are new fund inflows for the month that must be allocated, added. While futures tied to the S&P 500 rose, European stocks dipped, and the Euro-US dollar exchange rate slipped to its lowest since March 2020. Markets likely saw the European economy taking a relatively bigger hit from the Ukraine-Russia war and the West's punitive sanctions on Moscow. Gold took a bull breather while oil, industrial metals and grains were bid again, hinting at hotter inflation in coming months. Even so, money markets continue to scale back bets of monetary policy tightening by the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. The annualized rolling 3-month premium in Bitcoin futures listed on crypto exchange Binance fell to record lows early this week, hinting at capitulation and market bottom. Binance's 24-hour average basis spread between futures and spot prices reached a new all-time low on Monday of 1.17%, below the bottom 1.18% seen on July 21, 2021. This points towards a very pessimistic sentiment among leveraged traders, and, yes, a sign of capitulation, Vita Lund, market analyst at Arcane Research, told CoinDesk in a Twitter chat. Offshore crypto trading platforms like Binance and Bybit offer relatively high leverage than the regulated Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and are considered a proxy for retail leverage traders. While Binance offers 20x leverage, the CME offers 2 to 3x with much stricter margin requirements. Capitulation refers to a situation when traders liquidate their loss-making positions during extended market declines, in fear of incurring deeper drawdowns. It's a sign of extreme pessimism and panic selling typically seen at the end of bear markets. So, the record low Binance premium perhaps indicates that Bitcoin's bear run, which began at dizzy heights of $69,000 in mid-November, has run its course. Supporting that conclusion is the relative optimism on Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which represents institutions and large traders. Today we will discuss the Fantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023 FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM price forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.